Coming at you today with another wig revamp. I'm Chaya G. Yes, it's me. Even though I'm wearing this wig actually belongs to my mother. And I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to revamp it. But first, show some love to my mom. Go click that like button. And she actually just recently got a new wig. But instead of getting rid of this one, we could really revamp it. So wig revamp, here we come. Now before we continue, go ahead, subscribe to my channel because you can go ahead and check out all the other videos that I have posted already, and there's many more to come. Wig revamps, wig care, everything you wanted to know. I'm Chaya G, wig expert, wig wearer, and a wig stylist. Today, we're going to talk about revamping this wig from my mama. What it really needs is a color overhaul. You see it's gotten very oxidized and also a little bit brittle. If you're looking here by the bangs, it has a little bit of some wear on the edges. And when we do the color, this is actually going to help give a conditioning to the hair itself, because we're doing color, which is depositing color on the hair, as opposed to bleaching. When you're bleaching out the hair, you're removing pigment from the hair follicles. Putting color on top of the hair will actually help condition it a bit. But after we do that color overhaul, we're also going to be doing a deep conditioning treatment, which will then restore the conditioning to the hair that it doesn't normally get from the regular oils of your head, because it's a wig, and you're gonna see a huge difference. Stay tuned, I'll be back soon. And we're back. What do you think? Let me know in the comments how you think that this wig looks now. We did a deep conditioning, which gave an extra moisture boost to the hair throughout and took care of a lot of the brittle feeling edges, especially in the bangs area. We did the color, where we low lighted the wig to restore back the base color of the wig, but still maintaining some of the beautiful highlights that it had, so it won't be too dark. And now the only thing left to do is to ship it off to my mom. If you enjoyed this wig revamp, let me know in the comments. Go ahead, click that like button, subscribe to my channel, All Wig Everything with Chaya G, and I'll see you soon.